text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. Ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your ribcage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. Ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your ribcage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
guys.
Hi guys.
Hope you guys are doing good.
Hello.
So today is Saturday. Today is Saturday and I'm here with my little princess girl, my darling girl. I'm going away for a day. I know, Alma, you have come again. Where are you going to? It's not my fault, guys. I have to work. When work comes, I take work. It's as simple as that, okay? So today I'm going to be visiting VIDO Cafe. VIDO Cafe is the place I had my meet and greet earlier in the year, back in February, if you remember. And they do have a very nice You're distracting me. They have a very nice lounge and restaurant. They also have a boutique hotel, I think a 3-room boutique hotel and all of that. They have a gym, so they want to host me for a day and a night, and I'll be leaving in a tiny little bit. I would have loved to go with this madam, but I'm going for work and I won't have anybody to watch her when I need to do work and all of that, when I need to be away, maybe at the gym and all of that. I won't have anybody to watch her, so unfortunately she cannot go with me. I'm going to be taking her to her grandparents' place to babysit her for a day for me. I'm super thankful to have parents who are always willing and ready to help. So she's going to be going off to grandma and grandpa's. And this one is always excited to go there. Like, for her, any reason to be there, she's happy. Yes, I will be moving to a new place just for a day and a night, and yeah, that's very exciting because you guys know any reason at all to leave my house for a day or more away from all my real life duties, I take it. All right, I'm thankful for a family that understands, you know, the kind of job I have. So yeah, that's very exciting for me. It's going to be only for a day. I'll be back home by tomorrow. I'm just about to leave my house right now, and I just thought to let you guys know, all right, where I'll be going. Okay, of course you guys will come along with me. This is almost like a solo thing because it's just me, and I've done staycations on my own before. To be honest, I'm kind of trying to prepare myself to take a solo trip because going out of the country on my own is something I look forward to doing very soon. So I'm just trying to prep myself for having to travel alone. I know that at this point nobody's looking at me, everybody's looking at this cute face right here. Everybody. All right guys, so let's go. You guys go along with me and see everything I get up to. All right,
Let's open it.
I'm launching my suitcase, okay, from Peridot Bags, gifted to me by my Soft Life crew for my birthday. Surprise gift. It's just a small hand luggage size suitcase, but it fits everything I need for a day. Obviously, even my laptop is in here. I'm so obsessed with this because my favorite color is pink, guys, and I'm super duper obsessed. My outfit today is from wura.ng. It's just a nice shift dress, right? Nice shift dress, very beautiful. I love it. And yeah guys, let's go. Let's not waste time. We have a staycation to go for, so let's go. All right guys, so I just got here, just about to go in and confirm my reservation and check in and all of that. This is very exciting, guys. See, I love my me time a lot too. People don't even understand. After momming and wifing throughout the week, I don't mind disappearing during the weekends or more because there has to be a balance. You understand? There just has to be a balance.
When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Take a risk and just season. Shine bright as that season.
All right, hi guys. So I just checked into my room, and this is the exact same room I stayed in February when I had my meet and greet, because I stayed overnight here. So this was the exact same room. But let me do a proper room tour for you guys. I can see one or two things have changed. Maybe like the plants that was here before, they've changed it. But let me just do like a quick tour for you guys. All right, so this is the view from the door. On the left you can see a massive work table. I love it when my rooms have like massive work tables because just in case I need to edit and do other things. And a welcome letter here. All right, the TV is also on this corner. The first window is here. They've got both blinds and curtains, and I actually do love these curtains. They are very nice. Then there is a little center thing here. This is looking more like a trunk, if that makes any sense. So I love the vibe, very nice. And there are some magazines here. There's a centerpiece there. And then there's this cute bed, very nice. I'm going to have a very lovely sleep this night. I can see a glass stool over there. There are some frames above the bed. The AC is over there. And then on this corner, guys, you guys know that I'm a sucker for plants. I'm obsessed with plants. This is obviously like a golden palm and it's beautiful, very full, very lush. I love it. The second window is over there. And then the curtains are really high as well. I love it when hotel rooms have very high curtains. Really love that. Then there is a sitting area here. All right, 2 seats and a glass stool. The intercom is there as well. And there is a mirror above. Very nice. I love it. On this side, we have a wardrobe. All right, they've got wardrobe. And there are some frames here as well. This room is bringing back so much memories from my meet and greet, like so many memories. And I think this WR room is their biggest room. They have 3 rooms here. All right, so let's do bathroom. You guys know I'm a sucker for bathrooms, and I'm actually a sucker for the bathrooms here at VIDO. I think I showed you guys this when I came for my meet and greet or something like that. But yeah, the shower is right here. Okay, there's a big shower here. Towel is over there. Then there are these plants just above the toilets. Like, you guys know I love plants, so we've got some lovely plants here. Toilet right here. The sink is here, and I'm obsessed with the mirror in the bathroom. That's me. Hi. I love this mirror so much. There's still a wash hand towel here. And just random bathroom stuff. You guys know this, but these plants just make this bathroom pop, and I love it. I think I'm going to actually buy plants like this for my bathroom. I feel like it will make my bathroom a lot more inviting, and I have exactly where to place it on the shelf in the bathroom. So this is an inspiration for me right now. All right, so I'm just gonna go back to my car, get my suitcase, and come in here and settle in nicely. Okay, so I feel like another reason why I really love this place is because it's very serene. It's not like a big hotel, like you know you have these really big hotels, Hilton and other places here in Abuja that are very busy. This is just a small, nice, cute, serene, quiet place. And I feel like the best part is that when you're passing along this road, this place is actually on Mississippi Street in Maitama. But I feel like if you're passing along this road, you probably just think that this place is a residential place. Like, you wouldn't even think that it's what it is. Do you get? That's the beauty of it. I love that so much. I love the fact that it's very unpredictable. I love the fact that there's no big signboard outside that says VIDO Cafe. It's a very nice, serene, quiet, just a nice like hideout. Do you get my point? And I'll show you guys other things that this place has to offer as time goes on. And yeah, so just keep watching. All right. Alright guys, so I've rested a little bit and I'm going to have lunch right now at the restaurant. I'm excited because I'm actually hungry. Let's go and see what is for lunch. What I'm facing the light. Okay, I'm facing the light now. Hi guys, I actually had a nap. Like, I had a very good nap and I'm up and doing again. So it's dinner time and I'm going to the outdoor patio to have dinner. I hear that I'm having pizza and wings for dinner, so I'm excited about that. Very excited. You guys know I'm a foodie. So yes, I'm just gonna have dinner real quick, come back into my room and maybe just do some work on my laptop. I made sure to do any serious work at home before I came here because I'm just like, see, I cannot be bothered about plenty hard work this one day that I'm going to be here. So I did all my plenty hard work earlier in the day at home before I came, so that I can just lounge and maybe even like Netflix and stuff. I will do 1 or 2 like Instagram reel editing, but nothing too serious. And yeah guys, let's go have dinner. I'm excited. You guys know I love food, so let's go. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. I had a very refreshing night. I slept like a baby and I feel very refreshed this morning. This whole bed was mine literally all night, and I had such a good night rest. I can't even lie. It's almost 9:30. Today is Sunday, by the way. It's almost 9:30. I'm actually waiting for Agor. She's the owner of this place and she's also a gym fitness trainer. I think I've said this before. So we're meant to actually have like a little gym session this morning before breakfast and before checkout. So I'm actually currently waiting for her. I've already brought out what I'm going to wear to do a bit of workout. Yeah, so that's the plan for this morning: gym session, breakfast, and then checkout. I have stuff to do at home, so I need to get home before 1 p.m. So that's the plan for this morning. And yeah guys, don't forget to check out VIDO Cafe, VIDO Hotel and Cafe in Maitama. If you just want like a hideout, you know, from real life. Sometimes I feel like everybody needs that once in a while. So if you need that, be sure to reach out to them, or be sure to come here and book a staycation or something. You guys will see me again probably when we go into the gym.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Sign me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come
No, put your can do better. Come on now.
I thought reacting.
Come on, higher, higher, higher.
Higher.
Higher, higher, higher.
Hey. She won.
Alright. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. You got this. 10. Let's go. We're doing 10 reps. Let's go. Let's go. 9. Let's go. 8. Let's go. 7. Come on. Why do you look like you're about to give birth? Let's go. 6. Let's go. 5. You're only pushing 10 kg. Come on.
What do you mean?
Let's go. One more. Let's go. One. Good job.
Where's my crown? Someone should crown me. Ah!
Come on, you got this.
Really? Come on. This is why you don't want us. You cannot all walk. 2, 3.
One. Come on. 2. Good job. 3, 4, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 6. Come on, you got this. 7. So we have 2 more sets.
Wait, what? What? You are what?
You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money.
I had a good workout session. For me who hardly works out, you guys know that I haven't worked out in like a while, to be honest. But one thing I know that I have done that has really helped me is reduce my food portion. So I haven't been eating the kind of portions I used to eat before, and I have actually lost some weight. So that workout was almost alien to me, because I'm just like, when last did I do all of this? But it was good. It was good regardless. I loved it. I'm just going to the restaurant now to have something to eat. Breakfast will be served in a bit, and then after breakfast I will head out. Okay, check out. Well, it has been good so far, so let's go have breakfast. I'm excited for that because you guys know I'm a foodie. Well, let's go.
Make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl. Tray of diamonds, it was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah.
Guys, I'm done with breakfast. The beautiful team at VIDO Cafe wanted to finish me with food. They kept bringing and bringing. I'm just like, who is meant to eat all this? I couldn't even finish one plate of something. How much more? 4 different plates of different things. I just had a bit of everything, and I had the rest packed up because I don't eat like that. I don't eat like that, so I had it packed up into that bag over there. Yeah, the sandwich and the waffles and chicken, I didn't even touch it at all. I just told them, you know what, when I get home I will share with family much later, because I know they chop like that. But just to show you guys like a wide array of their breakfast options, like they have a lot of nice breakfast options and food options in general. They have a nice menu, so they're amazing. I love them. My time here has come to an end. So I'm heading back. I need to go and pick Mia Rose up and take her to go get her hair ready for school tomorrow. I'm not even sure why Mia's school has not closed yet. I don't know why they're still in session. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip, maybe at home or something. You guys would see.